Today is Sunday, and today we are going to the beach. Maybe later on because right now the sun is a little strong. But gonna go make mom made breakfast, so I'm gonna go eat, and I'm gonna start washing my clothes or preparing because we're gonna bring wet clothes and might as well just wash it when we come back. So I'm gonna do that, fixing my bed, and I'm done. Now I'm just putting some clothes away that I had right there. But right now, to eat. Willenor is determined to finish his homework in an hour. And that's what he has so far. In how many minutes? 10 minutes. Why you laugh?
But he's barking at the vacuum.
Oh yeah, but he doesn't like the vacuum.
I'm laughing because when I watched it, I thought I heard Buddy barking. I'm like, oh, is he barking? But I'm like, oh, they're probably just watching a video. But then I'm like, wait, it is Buddy barking. And he's barking at my mom because she's vacuuming.
He's just like, Why are you gonna do your hair when we're gonna go get wet?
I want to see pictures.
Dear Lord. Hello there, Mr. Bird. He's being sweet today. He's letting me pet him. Mister. Never mind, he turned evil. To shopping for the beach and for the bonfire. Right, Jenny Bird? Okay, talking to my friend. Ooh.
Some fruit is delicious.
Here. Shippies. Where is she?
She's right there. Does she have to get off the turn or she just turned?
She went to go turn. I don't have a steady hand. Making some hot dogs. Hello, girls.
I know. You just
Don't talk to me for the next 10 seconds. I'm looking for the next
2, 3, 4.
Jenny. I'm so sorry, Jenny. I'm so sorry, Jenny.
That's it.
Wait, let me point at it.
Thanks to the birds.
Let me point at it. No, that's messed up.
Okay.
Progress going on with here.
Little mermaid. What are you doing?
Should I do the little shells?
It's nice one. You don't even think it's Steve was like, what is that?
That looks like the tail.
Because when you close it, it's like that. Did you see it close?
Babe,
No, not yet. Not right now.
¿Todavía no quieren uno?
I do.
You need to.
Now swim.
You look like a mermaid. It's alive! Guys, who is that? Is that my grandma? I hate birds, and a bird pooped on me. It just
is horrible. Worst experience of my life.
We're having hot dogs and my mom is famous Asian pasta salad. It's so good. This is my cousin's plate. This is mine. I'm almost done with mine. And I'm having these chips. They're so bomb, guys. I love these. That looks scary. Beautiful sunset today, guys. It's so nice. Yes, I am.
There's this really strong one that came and it like wet my whole face and now I'm all sticky. But they're really strong. They're coming all the way up to here.
Yeah, I know. I saw him from all the way over there.
Really strong. Look, see?
My grandma.
She didn't want to get in the
I'm okay. Missed it. I just missed it. Yeah.
Just your feet.
You're not gonna get in? Can you help us? He's gonna do something. Yeah? Okay. You cold, sister?
I'm trying to look for seashells, but there's not any good ones. There's only baby ones. It feels sort of good, but it's really cold.
Fire again, bars. Making some marshmallows.
Hi, Rosie.
Hi, Steve. I can't see you, but what's up?
I don't know. I don't eat. I have a month and what? 7 days. I don't know.
Willie? Well, you look good. What's up?
Esa vena me la
Jenny?
todo.
Hi, Nick. Steve, I think you're too dark. Or hi, Mel. All the smoke. We turned off our fire. Because we're gonna go home, everybody. Oh, we're home. Feels so good. We took a shower. And we're home with Buddy. And I'm watching Cake Boss.
this guy really wants.
I'm trying to like see what's sorting out my bag, and I can start getting
That are patterned
my
after some of
my
the
bed ready for bed.
new line of
There's a lot of sand in the room, so I need to sweep before that.
use these cakes.
But I'm so happy we're home. It was a good weekend. It's really nice.
CD dresses and bows and cakes. All right, I know a little bit about fashion. I mean, I'm married. I grew up with 4 sisters. Well, what I want to know is how do you get fashion out of
Well, guys, I am gonna go to bed. I'm gonna finish this episode of Cake Box, and then I'm gonna go to bed. Good night, guys.
Think about doing a cake in 2 parts.